Welcome to How To Mechanics. In this video I'll be showing how to change your front wheel bearing on a Dodge Ram. Jack up the vehicle and remove the tire. Remove the brake assembly. On the back side there are two 24mm bolts we're going to remove, one on the top and one on the bottom. Pull the brake assembly off. Grab a wire to hang it from. You do not want it to be hanging from the brake hose. Take an inch and 15/16 to remove the hub nut. And then we're going to remove the rotor locking tabs. I usually just cut them off with a pair of side cutters. With them all off, you're going to take a soft blow mallet, hit the back side of the rotor, and we'll try to break it free. You can definitely hear the bearing starting to go out. Next, we're going to remove the ABS line. Follow the line all the way up until you find the connector. Unclip the connector from the vehicle. Push up on the red tab. These do get pretty full of dirt, so we're going to clean the dirt out. Take a screwdriver, pry on the bottom side to pop it out. To remove the wheel hub, there are four 18mm bolts to remove. To gain access on the other ones, trim the wheel. To get to the ones on the back side, you're going to want to use a long extension. With the bolts removed, we can hit it with a hammer. We'll be replacing the whole thing so we don't have to worry about damaging it. Sometimes you have to use a pry bar to pry it away. Be careful not to pull at the axle with it as you're removing it. I like to add anti-seize onto the splines. Install the new wheel hub and bearing assembly. Reinstall the four 18mm bolts in the back. And then we're going to torque the four bolts down to 150 foot-pounds. Take your wire reel and clean the rotor. Install the brake assembly. Install the two bolts on the backside. And we're going to torque those down to 260 foot-pounds. Reroute the new ABS line the same way the old one came out. And then replug in the connector up top. Reinstall the tire. Pop out the center cap. And then we're going to tighten down the axle nut. Use an impact gun to get it somewhat tight. Lower the vehicle down to the ground. Torque the axle nut to 260 foot-pounds. Torque the wheel lug nuts to 125 foot-pounds. Reinstall the cap. And with that, you're ready to roll. Thanks for watching How To Mechanics. We'll see you guys next time.